What's up everybody, we are here in Montreal, Quebec, and we are starting our day in St-Viateur Cafe, which is a famous bagel in Montreal. I'm here with my wife Letitia and my sister Esther. They're gonna try the salmon, the traditional one, and mine is chicken with pesto. This is one of the most traditional bagels here in Montreal, and Montreal is famous for its bagels. And now, of course, I had to bring my sister here because she's visiting us here in Quebec. What do you think? Did you like the bagel?
Yeah, very good.
Very good?
Yeah.
And your coffee, your cappuccino was good?
Yeah, I love.
We are heading to Mont-Royal, which is the mountain right in the middle of the city of downtown Montreal, where it has a good view of downtown. It's a nice place to go here in Montreal, of course, very touristic. And we're just walking. We parked our car in here. It's just a nice and beautiful street here in Montreal. Those kind of buildings here with the stairs, very traditional like this, and this street's all full of green like this. It's such a nice neighborhood. So this is downtown Montreal. We are in Parc Jean-Drapeau actually. This is the Belvedere, Kondiaronk Belvedere. It's a nice place. There's a chalet in here. There's a stunning view of the city of downtown Montreal here. So many people come here just to take a good picture, and there's a cafe in there as well. We're gonna check what's happening there. Sometimes there's some things happening there, but it's full of people in here.
We should take pictures.
This is the inside of the chalet here in the Kondiaronk Belvedere. There's some souvenirs in here. Some just basic souvenirs, very nice, from Montreal and Quebec in general. It's a very tiny store, but it's nice and nice things. There are frames like this. It's a nice place. And also there's a cafe in here. Sometimes there are some events going on in here, not today. Today we have just the tables in here, but it's generally just a chalet with a cafe and some souvenirs. Just a quick fun fact about the flag of Montreal. Correct if I'm wrong, but I think that those 4 flowers in each one of the corners of the flag, they symbolize, or they represent, the 4 nations that most came to Montreal in the beginning of the city, that immigrated in here. So the first one is the fleur de lis, which symbolizes the French. Then we have a flower for the English, a flower for the Irish, and I think the last one is for the Scottish. So this is just a symbol of the city, the flag of the city, that symbolizes, or that brings the memory of all the immigrants that arrived in here, the settlers and the colonizers. Of course, there's a whole story about it that I don't have the knowledge to talk about right now, but just explaining the flag. I think it's something about this. If you know the story, just let me know in the comments. The whole park of Montreal here, there's a lot of trails. There are some activities during the winter. People come here for winter activities as well. So it's a nice place right in the middle of the city. And it's a very typical touristic place. Maybe it's the most touristic place here in Montreal. It's always busy, no matter if it's winter time or summertime. And well, that's it. I don't know. I think we're gonna head to downtown itself right now, and let's see if we can explore the city by subway, because it's way easier than by car. So we just came to Peel Station here in downtown. We parked our car and now we're gonna go by subway. We are right here in Peel Station. We're gonna go this way to Place d'Armes, because we're gonna walk around here. There's the old port of Montreal and the old city here, and we're just gonna walk around there. Going by subway, it's way easier, way simpler than trying to find somewhere to park. So yeah, let's see. So right here we have just arrived at Notre-Dame Cathedral, which is I think, the main church here in Montreal. It's a beautiful church. Unfortunately, it is under construction, but it's a very remarkable landscape, a very touristic place as well here in Montreal. It's always full of people like this. And people just come here to see the church. We can go inside the church, and there are some street artists as well. There are some statues, a lot of nice buildings around here as well. So it's basically a place to hang out. And here is the Old Montreal, the Vieux Montréal, the old downtown of Montreal, around those little streets in the middle of those buildings in here. We're just walking in Old Montreal, and now we stopped by a restaurant which is a terrace. So it's a pretty nice place, open place like this, and we have this view of Old Montreal in here and the old port right there. It's a very nice view from here. There is the Jacques Cartier bridge, and we can walk all over down there, which we are going after having lunch.
Stop, like stop.
Stop. Oh, stop.
Stop. Mais stop it parce qu'il a d'accent.
In the end, we didn't have lunch there. We just had the drinks because the restaurant opens later. So the girls just had their drinks. We're gonna have some snack here in Biosphere or cul de castor. It is a very traditional sweet. They have like salty stuff as well, savory stuff, but the sweets are the most famous ones. So we're just gonna have this and maybe have dinner later. And it's the first time that my sister Star is gonna have this, so she's gonna have to play the bell here because it's her first time. Are you excited to try it?
Okay.
She doesn't speak English very well. Are you excited to try this?
Too much?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Right. So we took the cookies and cream. Let's see if Esther likes it. First bite ever in a Biosphere. Go ahead. In English, did you like it? Whoa! Wait a minute. What's happening there? Whatever. How do you like it?
Delicious.
Woohoo! How did you like your first time?
Amazing.
So right now we are here in Old Port, which is another very nice place. It says there Vieux Port or Old Port, and there's the Cirque du Soleil happening here. Honestly, I don't know if it stays here like forever or if it's seasonal, but it's here. And right here there's a lot of like food trucks, a lot of things to do. It's not just a pathway to walk, but there's a lot of places to stop by, and of course full of people. I mean, Montreal during the summertime, it's always full of people. There's always something happening, and yeah, we're gonna just walk around here, see what we find. So the regular cost to go here and there is $30 per person. I think it's expensive. I wouldn't go, but apparently many people go. Must be a nice view as well, but $30 is too much. This right here is another nice street with a lot of small commerces like this, with the caricature, I don't know how to say that in English, like those drawings of famous people, and a lot of restaurants. Downtown Montreal, the old city of Montreal, is a very walkable place, and yes, there's a lot of places to go and just to get lost, like those tiny streets like here. Like people just literally just stop by here just to take pictures because it's just a beautiful place. now we came to Jean-Drapeau Park, which is basically an island in the St. Lawrence River, but it's possible to come by subway. And the fun fact here is that right here happens the Formula 1 race here in Montreal. And also there's this, it's kind of a museum, a science museum, which is called Biosphere. And it's a nice place as well. I think it's more not for children, but it's just like a science museum. And also there's another thing happening here, is like a electronic music festival that is happening in the other side of the park, which is it's a pretty big park. So in here it's more chill, but in the other side a lot of people going to the electronic music festival. Right here we can literally enter in this sphere, which is the museum. Now we came here to Sainte-Catherine Street, which is another nice street here in downtown Montreal. It's not anymore in the old city, and it's happening in So Fast Montreal, right in front of this beautiful church here. There's gonna be a presentation of soul music here, and there's some other things happening around. As usual, as I said before, Montreal, just like walk around and discover the places. We didn't even know, but that's the third festival that we passed by just today. So it's crazy how the city gets alive in the summertime, and really nice, right? So fast. If there is any Montrealer or Montreal person watching this video, could you explain me why is this circle here? I know it's like a popular spot here in Montreal. People come here to take pictures. It's basically a square where people came to stay here, like just to hang out or to relax. But what's the purpose of this circle? I don't know exactly. We are finishing our walk here in downtown Montreal, and we just passed by Five Guys to have a burger for the first time. My sister had a burger and she loves it, and had Five Guys, I mean. What's your general opinion about Montreal, Esther? Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
And it's a pretty city.
I want to go back again.
You want to come back? Yeah, sure.
Come back, yeah. Oh, sorry.
Well, Montreal is lovely. We love so much Montreal, even though we live in Quebec City.
It's very beautiful.
Montreal.
There's so many stuff happening everywhere.
Montreal doesn't get tired of like seducting us, you know. But yeah, that's the video of today. If you like, please leave it a like and subscribe, and see each other in the next one. Send a kiss to my subscribers.
Bye bye.
Bye.